Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover cloud logging and Kubernetes engine. Simply click on Start Lab. Now right click and open an incognito window. Now from here, just remove it and click on this to activate the Cloud Shell. And if you're getting any other pop-up, just click on I understand, agree and continue. Now click on continue. Just authorize yourself. Now please watch video till the end, because if you face some issue, then we'll fix it together. Now in the description box, I've shared this repository, GitHub dash. You have to select it, paste over here, hit enter. Let me increase the text size and let's see whether we are able to get the score or not. So here you can see finally all things are done, right? So it took around 10 to 15 minutes for this task to get completed. Okay, so now let's come to the lab instructions and simply check the score. So you can see finally we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.